Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nick again here from Phillips Chevy in Frankfort. Today we have a 2025 Colorado TurboMax ZR2. Right now, we'll start from the front. So under here, we got the 2.7 liter beast. If you're not familiar with the engine, seriously, do some homework on it. It is a great motor that we got here, and not just this, but all of our Colorados. And then take you to the interior. The ZR2 does come with running boards and the beautiful new interior. Here's the back seat for you guys. Even though it's a Colorado, you still got plenty of room. And we do have a spray-in bed liner here, along with the beautiful ZR2 badging. Now, let's take it for a ride. All right, guys, we got the Colorado on the road right now. We just wanted to show you how smooth it is actually driving. So, not only is it amazing on the outside, as you can see, the interior is flawless. I got the cooled seats on right now, and we are using the dual climate controls, so you don't have to keep them the same. And yeah, it's just absolutely overall an amazing vehicle. You got Bose speakers, premium interior, and we don't just have the ZR2s. As you guys seen earlier, we got the work trucks, we have trail bosses, everything, every Colorado you can think of. If you are possibly in the market, definitely give us a call over here at Phillips Chevy. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.